Whether you're giving feedback one-on-one, pitching an idea during a team meeting, or speaking in front of a packed auditorium, the impact you have will depend on your confidence in communicating. In this course, you'll learn what makes a great communicator and how to overcome nervousness when speaking in front of others. You'll also learn techniques for being a more effective speaker, from preparing what you'll say to controlling your voice and body language. Think about someone you've seen, maybe in person, maybe on TV, who's a great speaker. What about them makes you sit up and pay attention? What makes them a good communicator? Whatever your own background or job title, your effectiveness as a communicator depends on three things: what you say, how you say it, and how you present yourself while you're saying it. Regardless of the size or nature of your audience, how you speak and otherwise present yourself, how engaging you are, is important to getting your point across and genuinely communicating rather than merely talking.
Our sales figures for the year through the second quarter are down 9%. We know we're facing powerful competition from some of the new players, but our team have to turn things around. All signs are that our latest product is potentially a huge hit. The focus groups provide positive feedback, but now we have to get it out there and really push for sales this quarter. Each of you should report back to me.
Cut. Stop right there. Allie is nervous, and that's affecting how she sounds and looks as she talks. Consider how much more impact the same message might have if it were delivered with the right vocal control and body language.
Our sales figures through the second quarter are down 9%. Now, we know we're facing powerful competition from some new players, but our teams have to turn things around. All signs are that this product could be a huge hit. Focus groups love it. But now we have to get it out there and really push for sales. This quarter, each of you.
Good communicators create a balance between their content, what they say, and how they say it, using their vocal control and body language to project a genuine belief and enthusiasm. They project confidence, and confidence is contagious. Some people may be born with it, but for the rest of us, the good news is that with hard work and practice, speaking with confidence can be learned. The confidence you convey as a speaker doesn't depend upon how you personally feel. Instead, it depends on your actions, on what you do to get your message across, how you project. Your content must be balanced with your vocal control and body language.
I've prepared revised sales targets for each of us. They're aggressive, but I know we can achieve them. We've got a superior product that addresses a tangible need, and when people see it, they'll want it. Now what we have to do is get out there and put it in front of them so that they can discover how much they want it.
Confidence breeds confidence, creating a positive feedback cycle. The more you practice it, the more you project it, and the more you build it within yourself. Simple actions like speaking clearly, sitting up straight, and making eye contact can actually make you more confident. And as your confidence as a speaker grows, so will your ability to engage and influence your audience. It may start in school. You stand up to talk in front of a class. Your mouth goes dry, your heart races, your hands shake, and then maybe you talk too fast, or maybe you hem and haw, or maybe your mind goes blank, and you say nothing at all. Nervousness about speaking in front of others doesn't automatically go away as you get older. It might even get worse because you feel the stakes are greater. But by applying some specific techniques, you can learn to overcome it.
What if I look stupid? What if I forget what I want to say? What do I want to say? I don't want to blow this. Oh man, I'm going to blow this. I'm going to look like an idiot. Maybe I'll call in sick.
Negative self-talk is the first thing that must go. It's easy to obsess over what could go wrong. The trick is learning to obsess over what will go right. And the first way to ensure that is to prepare and really know your content cold, exactly what you want to communicate. What's your message? What's the audience's takeaway? Once you answer those questions, you can then plan how to convey them, making sure that what you present supports your essential message. Then, make a conscious decision about how you want to come across. How should you present yourself while delivering your message?
How's it going? Working on your presentation?
I'm kind of nervous.
Oh, you'll be fine. You know your stuff inside out. Just let the client see that.
But how exactly do I do that? I mean, I know what I want to say, but I'm not sure how I want to say it. Do I want to be serious and project authority? Do I want to be charming and witty?
Try being you. Just a more confident and self-assured version of you.
I don't feel like that confident or self-assured version of me right now.
Genuine, honest communication requires a genuine, honest communicator. Different situations may call for different approaches, but any successful approach begins with being authentic and engaging. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be you, confidently. Use your personality to your advantage, and don't try to be someone you aren't. If humor comes naturally to you, then apply it. If not, don't force it. If you're a straight shooter, then be a straight shooter. Presenting yourself to others shouldn't be an act. It should be a revelation.
Our market research shows that nearly 75% of the target market samples expressed a preference for... I sound like one of those disclaimers at the end of a commercial. Slow down. Slow down.
Another important technique is to practice proper breathing. Nervousness makes your vocal cords constrict, increases your heart rate, and interferes with your breathing. Typically, it also dries your throat and makes you talk too fast. Proper diaphragmatic breathing counters all these effects. It sends a message to your brain, disrupting the fight or flight response. It forces you to relax, encourages pauses, and helps you slow down.
Try this. Breathe in slowly through your nose, pushing out your stomach muscles. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, pulling your stomach in.
In. Out. I can feel it. Thanks.
Great, that's it. Now stand up.
Finally, practice strong, confident body language. Stand up straight and tall. Create a strong base with your feet and square your shoulders. You don't need to look aggressive, but you need to look confident.
Our market research shows that over 75% of our target market expressed a preference for the unique features we offer, and this was not a small sampling of consumers.
Not bad at all.
Nearly everyone gets nervous at the prospect of facing an audience, whether it's one person or 100. But by taking the time and effort to plan your content, knowing what impression you want to make, and practicing your breathing and body language, you can master your nerves in the moment and make a strong impression.